Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new and amazing project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and watch the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So guys, if you are new to our channel and did not subscribe our channel, so first of all subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every upcoming new video of ours. In the link bar you can see there is a link by the name of Dloon.io. I will provide this link in the description of the video. As you click on it, you will come to this website whose interface is currently in front of you. At the top left side you can see its logo, and here some of its tabs of it which I will review completely today. Sale battle trade in the Dloon Universal GameFi sees build your empire across multiple worlds, play to earn, open platform for diverse game, cross game asset trading powered by Solana. Pre-sale is active on P2BCEX. So guys, we are building the next generation play to earn GameFi ecosystem. Join our fleet of players, developers and visionaries. So guys, you can easily buy on P2BCEX. In the year ahead, huge giveaway campaigns, join to win. So guys, play our games, use our NFT on battle, upgrade your unique cross game NFT characters, game them on our open marketplace. Gamification, plunder and rank, get Dloon booty through exciting daily challenges and quest, level up your private rank to unlock greater rewards and rare play, earn, trade and stake Dloon to get to the top of the Dloon ecosystem. Challenge yourself against the best players in the world. So guys, join the Dloon fleet, epic community and players heaven. Sail into a thriving community ecosystem full of pirates, adventures and treasures hunts. Play, battle, earn, trade and share your swash bulking tales and complete huge gamification quest for legendary rewards. In Dloon tokenomics, its name is Dloon coin, symbol is Dloon, blockchain Solana. It's have 1 billion total supply, and here you can see its contact address which you can copy from here and easily buy its token. Fungible it's a fungible token, Solana token 2022 program. Yes, 47.5% treasury is taking rewards, token burning and 22% Dloon initial exchange offering IEO on P2BCEX 30th of September 2024 in phase 1. Initial exchange offering IEO on P2BCEX 10.5% deep token, the caption share 8% marketing pool, the treasure chest 4% donation pool, the chest of greatness. So guys, adaptive inflation and staking reward strategies starting January 1st 2025. Adoption inflation model begin with the flexible approach to inflation adjusting rates and as need to support network growth and economic stability. Resource allocation, dynamically allocate a resource between stakers, validators and the treasury based on ongoing assessment and ecosystem needs. To ensure long-term value, implement a token burn strategy with the adjustable percentage of various revenue stream to ensure adaptability to changing market conditions. So guys, 1% fee initially capped at 25k Dloon with the flexibility to adjust this cap as needed to respond to market dynamic. Free operations are managed by the owner of the Dloon token. So token burn practices burn are implemented through Solana's token program, ensuring all activity are transparently recorded on the blockchain and regularly reported to the community. Our token burn strategy and controlled inflation model aim to create a balanced and thriving token economy, securing a rewarding network for all participants in the Dloon universe. Emphasize the flexible fee structure under the pirates codes ensure token burns are recorded transparently and commit to regular community-driven governance updates. So provide flexible staking option with the variable rewards supported by sophisticated market analysis tools and uphold a commitment to transparent reporting and decision making process. So guys, next you can see it's a universal GameFi marketplace. So it's committed to forming Drone is committed to forming strategic partnerships with leading blockchain game developer and platform to expand our ecosystem and enhance the value proposition for our users. Some of the potential partners we aim to collaborate with include. So guys, here you can see it's some of its partners. So in GameFi ecosystem and its roadmap are given here. So in first milestone setting sale launch phase until end of 2024, launched Loon token on Solana. P2B CEX Launchpad IO with a huge marketing campaign, active P2B CEX listing and making with the huge marketing campaigns 28th of October 2024. Ongoing gamification quest to build up a community and players base, listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. First game release Loon Raid with incentives. Development of Loon GameFi platform. Development of the first flagship game Loon Battleground. In second phase, release of the initial version of the Loon GameFi platform. Release Loon Battleground, our first friendship and card based strategy game. Player collect, breed and battle unique pirate themed creatures called Loon. Implement play to earn mythics, allowed players to earn Loon tokens. Implement to burn and based combat system with strategic card play. Introduced adventure mode for PvE and arena mode for PvP. Launched rare chest staking option in the Loon GameFi platform, offering reward for long-term Loon holders. Introduced Loon NFT marketplace for players to their Loon creatures and others in-game assets. Launch initial set of Loon NFT with the various traits and abilities. So milestone 3, expanding the feats Loon power and marketplace in quarter 22 2025. Milestone 4, charting new waters Loon Iceland quarter 3 2024. Milestone 5, the Great Voyage Loon MMO quarter 4 2025. In milestone 6, rolling the high seas ecosystem expansion quarter 1 2026. So guys, in ongoing development from quarter 2 2026 and into the future. So you can see all of its roadmap. So next you can see meet the team, Matthias Codexio, Jackish, CEO and CTO. It's an experienced developer in his mid 40s, essential for guiding the Doubloon coin project through any storm valley. So VLKC Wolf Magnus co-CEO and it's a CMO. So guys, in about you can see it told that the project was born from a vision to revolutionize the world of blockchain gaming. It all began when a couple of crypto enthusiasts, each with their own tales of navigating the TroubleNet season of seas of cryptocurrency etc. So guys, next here you can see it's told about its research and its community driven impact. So you must join its in the last you must join social media communities to get its so as you must you must read out its whole white paper so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So guys, in the last you can see it have some social media communities in which Telegram and Twitter are given here. So you must join these communities to get its updates. On Telegram you can see it have 956 members, in which 179 are online. So you must join this community to get its updates. Same as you can see it have a Twitter community from which you can get its updates as the form of tweet, so you can read them to get help. So guys, that's the project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.